Milkman, and this is Trailer Park Garage.
What do you think? Holy smokes! Welcome back to Trailer Park Garage. Man, I know you're gonna ask. I know people in the comments are gonna be like, "Man, what's going on with the posting schedule?" And it's not been good. So usually, I run into town, upload all the videos off of Mom's Wi-Fi. Well, she moved to Shreveport, so I have to be uploading these dudes in like the McDonald's parking lot and shit. Because our Wi-Fi out here in the boonies sucks, and throw this on top of it, had a tornado blow through about 4 weeks ago, and all our shit got messed up. We still ain't got no Wi-Fi. And it's not like I can upload from it anyways, but it helps. So, I've been having to like upload here, upload there. It's just been a hassle. And we've been busy, and I got running shit to do, and it's just been terrible. But today, we're back in the gosh dang garage. We're gonna get the big block Chevrolet out of this thing. We're gonna get all the rest of the wiring out. We're gonna take that one bedside off, and then we are going to start putting everything back together. So what I mean by that is we're gonna have to go get a cab, and it's in Arkansas. And I gotta take Cito's truck back, and then pick that one up, and I don't know, there might be some odd and end things that I want to do while it's apart. Maybe move something around, do something to make getting all this shit apart just a tad bit easier. We got to get the firewall off of it, and just like this random shit, the tedious, stupid stuff. So we're gonna work on getting this dude out. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, that's about it. Come on. Wham. Motor's out. going to start taking all the rest of this wiring out. I did some of my race pack and shit, but I forgot to give them my drive shaft sensor and all that stuff. So I'm going to get it out first. And then we're getting the trans cooler out, fixing that shit, because we're going to end up putting a trans cooler up front with the radiator. Probably going to get a different radiator too. The other one, I don't know where it's at. Hold on. But it's got a big ass leak. Remember when we had that one leak that was like up here and we fixed it? Well, now we got one like down here and over here. I don't know, but we figured it out after we took that last cruise. So I'm going to start tearing some of the wiring out of this thing. Once we get it done, probably pull the mid plate out and get the firewall out, take the brake cylinder off, all this jazz, and yeah, we'll get to rocking and rolling. And I got to take this bed set off, but that ain't going to be very hard. A couple of bolts, a couple of rivets, and then we'll have a completely naked chassis. Wow, come on. Alright, so I've decided on something. So of course I'm going to get my transmission bolts, all this jazz out of here, vacuum it, all that stuff. But I'm going to take the vehicle and put it outside and wash it. Because the bars are nasty and the damn, I mean, just everything's nasty. It gets a CO2 bottle out of it and all that stuff. And I'm just going to wash it. Now, it's cold outside today. It's freezing cold, so it's just getting worse. Probably not today. But get all the tin working stuff out, set it on the ground, and just wash under the thing, on top of that, just all of it, because it's dirty, nasty mess. And but it's just cold. Everything hasn't gone my way today, and that's all right, because that's part of working on these hot rods. But trying to get my damn snowplow truck hooked up to my snowplow and salter. Oh man, this has been terrible. But we almost got every piece of wiring out. I gotta have 2 people to unscrew that on both sides of the tin, and then we'll pull all the wiring out. All the wiring will be out of it, and get the drive shaft sensor out because it is gone too. And yeah, we'll be ready to get cracking on something else. I don't know. Today's just kind of sucks, so I'm kind of off, and sucks out here working out in the shop by yourself. Ain't got no help. So I'm out of here for today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Holy smokes. Alright, welcome back. It's windy as shit. Doors are slamming. Gosh, it's like 30 degrees out here. It's terrible. So, I gotta get my plow truck battery all charged up, start it up, hook it up, move Cito's truck out of the way, and then get to work on home milk. So, oh my lord, what a day. Come on. Alright, so I'm having troubles with my plow truck, so I decided to have troubles with whole milk. So here we are, working on it. Let's get the bedside off. Come on. And warp speed at that. So, when the parachute got wrapped around the wing when we were racing, I was racing Jeff Glover. So it'd be Glover and testing, and then we come around the return lane. Everybody remembers when the damn Hercules come up through there, balls ass fast with a shootout. Well, it pulled most all the rivets out of the tin work. So I went through and I took all the rivets out before I started unbolting this thing. Well, he left us one rivet that I didn't catch because all the rubber that's up under here. So there's nothing holding this thing on, so I'm going to put a bolt in it. That way it don't freaking fall off and demolish our paintwork, which is getting redone anyway, so it don't matter. But we'll put a bolt in it and then take this rivet out and it's coming off. Come on. Beating it, banging all over the place, I don't even know where to set it. So where they had, I guess, epoxied the tin work together right here. So they put it like a thin piece of epoxy to hold like these wheel tubs together, which is kind of silly, but there was a shit ton of it up here in the glass. It was all sticky and I had to like pull it off. I thought I had another rivet up there. Goodness. All right, so what we have here now is pretty much just a chassis. Got some tin work in the bed and a little bit in here and a firewall, but oh man, this is my favorite part on the truck, baby. Damn, get them sand tufts on it. Ooh, buddy, come on. All right, so next step, we're gonna start taking a firewall out of this deal. I'm probably gonna go back out there and mess with my plow truck because it's got me in my feelings a little bit. I got it out there, got the big hood up. Kentucky's about to get slammed with some snow and ice and shit, so gotta get back to work. But look at that, we got something accomplished for today. No shell, ain't got a body panel on it. Wow, this looks ridiculous. Damn it. Come on. Alright, so since we got the bedside off, I was going to do a little bit of investigating on, say we get a phone call and we have to go somewhere on the street and it's anything goes. Obviously, I'm not going to show up on a pair of 28s. I'm going to show up on some bigs. Last year we ran some bigs, but they were like 13, and we can definitely go wider, but with the tire or the wheel that I have, really anything over that is just, it was kind of pointless, and we couldn't fit it with the backspace of that wheel. So I got another set of wheels. Check it out. Let's see how this looks. I have never had them on here. There's some big old 16 by 16s. Let's do a little checking out. So they clear the caliper and they're gonna stick out a little bit past the bedside, just a tad. So what we can do there is send it off to get bead locks, and with that it's going to take a little bit off each side, and that'll just be enough, I think, to clear the bedside. And these are some OGs. Check them out. This is wicked. But I think it might work. That is a big wheel right there. But yeah. So as you can see, oh man, it might clear it by just a tad, but I don't think the tire would. But there you go. Look at that. Some OG happening here. What's this deal look like with them? Oh man, wow. Alright, so I was just out here investigating, seeing what we had. But yeah, we're gonna try to get a combo ready to run a pretty big size tire. Let me see what we was running last year. I think it was like a 33, 13.5. What do we got? All right, let's see here. 3113. Yeah. So it wasn't really that big. It's a medium tire. I'd like to run like a something massive, but a 16-inch wheel. Probably have to run something a little massive, but we'll get that all figured out. And I think I'm getting ready to take this trans cooler out. Man, I was in a hurry. I put this thing in. It's got it all sitting. Oh, it's all janky and nasty. One of the main purposes I'm tearing this thing apart too is I want it to be so nice when it's done. I want it to be kind of immaculate. Might be hard to do, but we shall see. Alright, so without boring you all with a damn 5-hour long time lapse of me trying to get all these freaking rivets out, I'll just show you the end result, which is me struggling to get the tin work out of this thing. No, maybe not. Wow, is that what I think it is? No. We're all good. Possibly. Might have to get up on the bar here. Ta-da! Look at that. Big old piece of tin work out. Now most of the firewall is gone. We'll work on getting the other side out. I gotta take the steering shaft out of it and all that shit. But we'll get to it here in a minute. Holy smokes, look at it. The shop floor, clean. That is what I'm talking about. That gets me excited to get the truck back in here and then work on it. But, gave it a nice little wash down. Cleaned some bars up. It's windy as shit, probably picking everything up. But, there we have it. It's all washed up. I'm gonna try to push it inside. I don't know if I can, but we're gonna try it. Come on. Damn. That sucked. But we did it. Oh shit. So if you watch the other video, you know exactly where we're at. And if you don't, when I pop this door open, you're gonna be like, oh, come on. So we're getting ready to weld some headers up from Whole Milk. Because we'll just show you. They've always been leaking. Welds are kind of screwed up, so let's see what we got working over here. Come on. Look at these guys. Look at all of them. Look at this guy.
What's up?
Master mechanic here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it through here. Yeah. We got a bunch of space to fill, don't we?
Hell yeah. We're losing horsepower there.
Oh man, all of it. Can you see where? Yeah, you can see where it's leaking here and it's leaking everywhere. So Michael was like, man, I'm so damn good at shit that I can just fix it right up. So tonight we're gonna fix it right up.
But at this point, back up in the yard if you need to. But as long as you're going downhill, why are you filming this?
I don't know.
As long as you're going downhill, you'll make it. Otherwise, you're done.
What time is it? 2:30?
Yeah,
What have we been doing all day?
cleaning shit.
Cleaning shit.
Snow.
So me and Pops have been plowing and salting all day. Turning the trailer park garage into a winter wonderland. And we're gonna go to bed. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Probably not nothing, but we'll see tomorrow. Holy smokes. Look at all these goodies just laying around. So, got our headers all welded up. Oh man, focus in. The way they should be. They've been leaking for a little while. I wanted to get everything right before we go back together next year, or this year now. But man, we're beat tired. We had the damn snow plow truck out. We was salting me and Dad last night, and damn, it was it got wicked out there. So we're probably done for this week. Beat tired. Got to take some pictures, send to the paint guy. Me and Dad are probably gonna do some body work on this deal soon, and get all the panels right. Send it off to paint, and hit up Cedo, get the cab, and yeah, we'll be rocking and rolling. So thanks for checking us out. We will see you guys next week, and hope you enjoyed the video. So peace out.